Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So y'all probably see the title that I'm going to organize my phone. So I'm going to do that because I never tried this on my channel. I had one time did a what's on my iPhone 6s on this channel. That was like beginning of this year or last year, something like that. But you could go watch that and see how my phone is. Before we get started, say hi, my name is Tiffany. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification. And so yeah, but let's get to the video. Okay, the first one I'm going to kind of like do, I want to kind of change something on here that I need to kind of fix. I know I got like, I have these because these are the other ones that I have. It has like all the other stuff. I think this is okay. I kind of just kind of put this like this. This okay, health and stuff. So I got my everything on here. Yeah, it's alright. I thought I'd delete my headspace thing, but I'm not gonna do that. I like to get on top on your left. Y'all might see. It has like this says shortcuts because this is like an app. Like you go like kind of do stuff. But soon I'm gonna kind of like remind me to like brush my teeth at night, and so yeah, I need to kind of do that. But right now I do that later. But this I'm gonna move this, and I'm going to kind of. I'm trying to think. Well, that's kind of like that. So wait a minute, my notes and oh shoot, I think the notes and this needs to be in there too because they all about the same thing. See my map and this because that's like traveling. My Lyft Ride app, but I do be leaving it out, so I probably just kind of just do like that. This the paper thing pen. I don't really use that, but I kind of downloaded it because I was helping my mom for some of her doctor thing, so I'm just gonna put that in there. So I don't know. Come on thing. I probably just put that in there too with that because I kind of use that for YouTube. But I'm just going to put that in. Okay, my social media. I have all of these, so these is okay, but I am going to change the title because I saw this a YouTuber do this, but I do that later after I have with this one too because I kind of put all these because these are the things I use. But I might just delete these because these two, the ones kind of like for Instagram, but because I don't really need too many apps on my phone because I'm not going to really technically use it on Instagram technically. I already have that, but I'm just going to need, but I'm going to keep, come on, okay. I'm going to keep all this stuff. I Boohoo and Bank of America. Bank of America is my mom's account. She kind of be on my phone to use it, but PayPal, I have a PayPal card, but I don't have no money on it. I probably should not, I don't know. I probably should not use it. I don't know for sure. I thought about kind of like using it because I never had to put money on it. Walmart money card, I have that, but I don't really use it, but I'm gonna keep it because I kind of want to. But Boohoo, I like the app, but I'm gonna delete it, so I'm just gonna delete it because I don't really need it. This other app that is with this man here, that's a store that's down here that my mom kind of like she has a card with them. So Power Director, I'm gonna keep it because I haven't had a chance to do editing on that on this channel, so I haven't had a chance to do it, but I'm gonna keep it. Pick Monkey, I'm just gonna keep that because I use these to edit my stuff. This Credit Karma, I'm going to kind of move that as like kind of like a document thing because I'm just gonna put that as a unit because I don't know for sure, but I don't know. I might probably should kind of put them together. Let me change this. The calculator deal, I don't know you, but it came with the phone of that with that. But indie jobs, food deliver, I think them is okay, but I need to switch these around. Just kind of do that. This, I like music, so I could put Spotify with it, but I decided not to do that. But Okay, pick collage. It's kind of like, I would say put that into that. It's a little bit kind of like that a little bit, but I really kind of use it sometimes for YouTube too. If I do decide to pick this, that, AT&T, that, and that. I don't know. I think these is okay. This is like another app that's just, it's like Open Touch. That one's kind of like for, I would say for search some other stuff, but I don't really use it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I saw that somebody did this. Okay, let me do like this. Okay, the name, you could capitalize it because I saw somebody did this. A YouTuber, YouTuber on here. Okay guys, I'm back. I kind of decided not to make it big because it won't look right. It kind of covers it up, the whole thing, so it won't show, so I decided just to leave it like it is. I decided to just take this out and put it with the YouTube editing part, photo stuff. I don't know if I'm going down. Oh, I gotta get my charger. This right here. Okay, so the YouTube editing, that one that's okay. I kind of did it good with that. I decided to kind of, but let me see. So I kind of just kind of decided to do like that. Let me see how they look. But the other one, I kind of just left it like it is. The photo thing, YouTube and TikTok. I'm trying to call that something else with that name. I don't know for sure what to call that. It's gonna be captured for your side. This is like the food deliver app, so I'm going to leave that like that. I just decided to with that. I think everything's like okay. Favorites. I kind of like leaving favorites out, but my most apps I really use, I might say, I really use Instagram more, so I'm just gonna leave in it one. But so yeah, that's what it is probably with. I'm gonna change my background. I want to kind of change it a little bit, so okay, because I know it's kind of like, well, spring's almost, well, spring's not, my ankle pop. I might just pick one of my photos that I got that I had on my phone. It says almost is never enough. That's a good one. Good. I have some photos. I always use this because it had rain the other day.
Change it. I can't make up my mind now.
Trying to find something that you think you want to go with, because especially I got a phone case with this, and I love her since I was a kid. So the lock screen, I'm gonna change that. I decided, let me go and find one of my, again, I'll be right back. I'm gonna find something that I think they're really good for me to use. Hey guys, I'm back. So I kind of find something that I think they're really good for the background, that I probably say for my background or my home screen or my last screen. So this one I think that'd be really great. So I'm gonna say this one. It's kind of hard to decide because I like different flowers things. Oh, it's really cool. Okay, but I kind of saw this kind of looks really cool to have. kind of hard. These people just be having some awesome stuff they have on here, and they really do. It's really nice. That's really cool. They got something like that on here. Something like this picture, something like this. I'm gonna do a video or something like that. If y'all want me to do one, I probably will make my own because I think that's what that person did. They used this picture and they used this with that. That's really cool. That's really cool. So I'm gonna save that and I'm gonna try something like that. This background that y'all see is my drawing that I did sketch thing, because I didn't sketch nothing else because I like to show my background or I'm on my lock screen. So, but let me show y'all a photo that I did. Type it in. Okay guys, I hope y'all enjoyed. My thing had clicked off my iPad, so I need to kind of get off of here so I don't let this iPad get too full of the storage. So if y'all want more like this, just let me know in the comments and like this video. And also if you're new, just subscribe and press the bell notification, and so that y'all can see upcoming on my next videos. But I have to go, and don't forget to subscribe, and also subscribe to my vlogging channel and my second channel, and also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat on there. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.